Hello, my name is Stephanie Roberts, a member of the digital learning team with Grantwood AEA. Over the last several weeks, our team has shared our tips and tricks on creating content while using our top 8 checklist on accessibility. Let's wrap up this series of videos on accessibilities with the acronym of SLIDE, SLIDE. This acronym will guide you as you begin to create your content. Let's take a look at what the acronym stands for while comparing it to our top 8 checklist. S is at the start of our acronym, and it refers to step 4 of our checklist, landmarks and styles. This allows for anyone to move about your document or presentation easily and quickly by putting those landmarks and those styles within your document or presentation. So the next letter is L, and it stands for the descriptive links, and it is important to remember to be unique when creating your links so everyone understands what they are clicking and where they are headed once they click on that link. Up next is the I, and the I is referring to the images found within our creations. Using alt text allows you to type a description of all your images. This helps everyone understand the importance of why that image is within your creations. The D is referring directly to the design of it, and that goes back to our checklist to the easy to read fonts and the color contrast. This will reduce the amount of effort it takes for your readers to process what you've created. And finally, we'll wrap it all up with the E, and the E is for empathy and thinking about how your choices in language and design as you're creating your slides and presentations, how that impacts others. If you approach your design with empathy and remembering to use concise and clear language, and the ability for people to use closed captions allows for everybody to interact with your docs and slides. Wraps up our series. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your digital learning consultant at Grantwood AEA. Have a great day. Thank you.